welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I have a design team project to share for ASC Craft Supplies, and I will leave links to their online stores in the description box below. And if you use my coupon code, you can receive 10% off any regular price purchases, and any order $75 or more ships free. And what I have created is the ice cream truck from SVG Cuts, and I will link it in the description box below. And I use the Mente Forever Young paper collection. It's an older collection, and I did check the website, and they still have some in stock. So if this is a collection you have been wanting, I would say go get it. It's a beautiful collection. It is a birthday collection, but I thought that the colors went well for the ice cream truck, and this is for a swap. So on the front here, I did cut out the ice cream cone, which is from the Silhouette Design Store, and I've used lots of the pastel sweetheart blossoms and the pastel roses here on the top, and some of the mint green sweetheart blossoms. And the ice cream sign is from the Silhouette Design Store as well. And then I used this pink bling and pink pearl trim that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I may have gotten that in a swap. I'm trying to remember. And I've had these pink gemstones in my stash forever, so I was able to use some of those as the hubcaps. And we'll just spin it around, and I used rose gold paper from Michaels and some more of the pink gems for the headlights. And you can see I've got some goodies tucked inside there. And then on the back is this beautiful scene. That's one thing I love about the Mente paper. They have the most beautiful scenes on their paper. And once again, I used some more of the little pearl trim and rhinestone, and some more of the large pink rhinestones for the hubcaps. And I carried a little bit of that along the back because I thought there could be lights back there. And for the tail lights, I used some more of the pink gemstones and the bumper. And I'll show you the top again, but you can see how dreamy this paper collection is. It is just so pretty. And you can tell that is the collar tone of the paper collection on that scene there. So it's just a beautiful paper collection. And then I forgot on the little awning, I'll lift that up so you can see a little bit better. And I used a chipboard. You can buy a whole 12 by 12 sheet, and it's full of chipboard stickers. And so this one just has Let's Have Fun. I have my ice cream cut out at the top, and then it opens from the back, so it's a gift box. And I made just like the bottom of a box, I guess, to put in here so the recipient can get their goodies out easier. And then I just made a little hole for my sequin mix because we were to include a sequin mix. So I think it matches the paper collection really well. So I was happy with that. And then I made some of the little ice cream cones, and once again, this time I have used the mini sweetheart blossoms in the pastel, and they do have some of these in the shop. So if you have been wanting those, go check it out now and just type in pastel sweetheart blossom or pastel mini sweetheart blossom, and they should come up. And I also created these little shakers. I think these came out so adorable. And I just used a silhouette foul and then used the internal offset on the ice cream part to create my shaker. So I was really pleased with how those came out. And the little chill out there. And then, of course, I used some more of the little mini sweetheart blossoms in the pastel. So this is what I have created for my partner. So whoever receives it, I hope they like it. We're in a group swap. So I'm not sure who my partner will be yet, but I'm ready to go. So I will add a few more goodies to the box. I just want them to be a surprise. Remember to visit ASC Craft Supplies and use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off, and any order $75 or more ships free. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.